First off, we'll go over the razor. It's very well balanced. Has a nice metal base. The blade here is removable, so you just press the button like a normal shaver. If you're the type of person that has a razor that's kind of on display or out in the bathroom sink, you really should upgrade your game. This hangs really nicely. The wood looks really nice. So that's the razor. Everything's very ergonomical, fits in your hand very well. Badger brush, or shaving brush. So if you're worried about animal cruelty or anything like that, this is just synthetic hair, which is, the advantage of that is you don't have to worry as much about heat when you're running this under hot or warm water. Handmade facial shaving soap. If you suffer from like razor burn or redness, the shaving soap really does help with that. At least in my experience, it does. It's much more hydrating for your skin.